In a sunlit village kitchen, ancient clay pots rest silently on a wooden shelf. One pot gleams, a mirror to its own flawless beauty. The other, weathered and cracked, whispers tales of time. "Look at me. I'm so perfect and beautiful," Shiny Pot proclaims, its voice echoing in the quiet kitchen. The older pot remains silent, bearing witness to the arrogance. The village kitchen is bathed in sunlight, highlighting a shiny new pot that seems to gleam with pride. A loud thump echoes through the kitchen as the shiny pot shifts arrogantly on the stove. Nearby, an older, weathered pot sits silently, filled with steaming rice, a stark contrast to its boastful neighbor. The shiny pot declares, "Everyone admires my perfect shape and flawless surface." The older pot remains silent. A young child enters the kitchen, their gaze sweeping across the room in search of sustenance. Their eyes fixate on a shiny pot, its surface gleaming like a beacon. Reaching out, the child's fingers graze the enticing metal. The pot wobbles, an impending threat looming over the child's innocent curiosity. A sudden cry pierces the air. "Ouch!" The child clutches their hand, a grimace of pain twisting their features.
If you like this video, then like, comment, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon button for more interesting videos.